The Cryptanthus plant belongs to the Bromeliaceae family and is commonly known as the Earth Star. This genus consists of 1,200 species and is native to Brazil. Its distinctive rosette-shaped foliage comes in an array of colorful patterns, ranging from vivid greens to rich reds and pinks. Owing to its compact size and striking appearance, Cryptanthus makes an excellent choice for both indoor displays and small outdoor containers. More than just an ornamental delight, its care routine is also relatively forgiving, making it accessible to both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Cryptanthus grows in tropical regions. Its growth is very slow and its height ranges from 15 centimeters to 60 centimeters. Therefore, it will not need to be repotted or moved to a larger pot for at least 3 years. This is an important factor to consider when selecting plants for a terrarium. Maintaining the right balance in watering is crucial for Cryptanthus. They thrive in consistently moist soil, but they should never be left sitting in water. Thoroughly water the plant until excess water drains out. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Ensure your pots have proper drainage to prevent stagnant moisture, which can lead to root rot. Adjust your watering schedule based on your home's humidity and temperature conditions. In drier environments, you may need to water more frequently, whereas in high humidity or cooler temperatures, you should extend the interval between waterings. Avoid pouring water into the center of the plant, as this can lead to rot and fungal diseases. Cryptanthus plants thrive in a soil composition that mimics their native tropical environment and provides good drainage. You can use a specialized bromeliad or succulent mix enriched with peat moss, perlite or orchid bark. A slightly acidic to neutral soil pH is ideal for this plant. Avoid heavy, water-retaining soils that can suffocate the roots. A light, well-aerated soil not only promotes proper drainage but also helps prevent moisture from accumulating around the crown. Cryptanthus, as a tropical plant, prefers warmth but can tolerate a wide temperature range. The optimal temperature for this plant is between 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. It is well suited for indoor care in apartments and offices. Efforts should be made to keep the temperature stable. It can also thrive in moderate conditions. Temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius can stress the plant, and frost should be avoided at all costs. Different Cryptanthus species have varying light requirements. The plant's vibrant coloration and healthy growth depend on balanced lighting. Bright indirect light is most beneficial. Mimic the dappled sunlight of its native forest understory by avoiding harsh, direct midday sunlight. Indoors, placing it in front of an east or north-facing window with filtered light works wonders. Insufficient light may dull its colors, while excessive direct sunlight could scorch its delicate leaves. Cryptanthus, native to humid tropical regions, thrives in a moist environment. The ideal relative humidity for this plant ranges from 60% to 80%. To boost humidity in drier indoor conditions, place a pebble tray filled with water beneath the plant, mist the leaves occasionally, or group plants together to create a mini humid zone. Such conditions not only support overall plant health but also enhance its vibrant coloration. Proper fertilization promotes healthy growth and ensures lush foliage. Use a balanced water-soluble fertilizer to nourish the plant. An all-purpose formula such as October 10th, 10 or 14-14-14 NPK works well, though bromeliad-specific formulas are also available. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks with a diluted solution during the spring and summer. Over-fertilization can cause salt buildup in the soil and lead to root damage. During winter, when growth naturally slows, either reduce the frequency of feedings or suspend fertilization altogether. Cryptanthus naturally produces offsets or pups around the base of the mother plant. Once these pups reach a sufficient size, they can be gently separated and potted up as individual plants. This method is the most common and reliable for hobbyists, as it preserves the genetic traits and vigor of the parent plant. After flowering, a Cryptanthus plant can produce seed. If the flowers are successfully pollinated, you can collect and sow these seeds. However, this method is generally slower and less predictable. It's typically used by breeders or enthusiasts willing to invest the extra time and care necessary for germination and growth from seed. Also, in controlled laboratory or commercial settings, Cryptanthus can be propagated via tissue culture. Although Cryptanthus is a robust plant, it is not immune to pests and diseases. Mealybugs, spider mites, and scale insects are common pests of this plant. The underside of leaves and the crevices of the rosette should always be checked. After observing pests, you can use insecticidal soap or neem oil and isolate the plant from others if necessary. Overwatering can lead to fungal infections such as root rot. Maintaining proper soil drainage and adhering to a good watering schedule is critical. Yellowing leaves may indicate overwatering, insufficient light, or nutrient deficiency. In such cases, reduce watering, move the plant to a brighter location, or provide nitrogen-based fertilizer. Drying leaves can result from dehydration, inadequate light, or dry air. To address this issue, increase watering, place the plant in a brighter spot, or raise the humidity levels in the environment. Browning or curling leaf tips often stem from low humidity or nutrient deficiencies. Adjust the plant's surroundings if these symptoms appear. Root rot is typically caused by overwatering. To resolve this problem, reduce watering and transplant the plant into a pot with fresh, well-draining soil.